Bystander in the inside. English language today will be applied. Our song will be understood worldwide. It's because our friends are
stateside? You mean they're from the America? That's why we cannot Filipino?
Yes, they are the female nephew of the barangay captain.
Oh.
And he said, we cannot Filipino when they are here because it is not nice.
Wow, that is amazing. But how can the captain have not seen the three of these girls also? We cannot talk to them if it is not nice and if we're Filipino.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard. Because the captain is not here, he's abroad in the province.
Oh.
Even though.
Yeah, how long are they gonna be still alive over here?
Yes.
The captain said,
What?
1 week ahead.
No,
One
one
week
week
ahead.
Oh, that is so long.
Oh, more.
1 week.
That's more.
That is now the problem of bystanders. And also the problem of us singers. Words like drinkers, grasshoppers, and fingers. We all sing because it rhymes with.
Sisters? They're sisters or brothers?
Sisters. And we cannot talking to one when we cannot talking to all.
Oh, I will talk to them. Wait, I'll try. Excuse me. Sisters?
Yes?
Oh. Sisters. Sisters. My name is Tony. What's your name?
Gail.
Gail. Wow. Gail. Pass. Substitute. Oh, my English. Oh, my goodness. Expired. What is they talking? I don't know. They just said name.
Where are the girls inside the looban?
Yeah.
No more English eh. Just
Yeah.
English.
Oh.
Miskan.
Nervous.
The people in the inside have one wish. They cannot only speak in English. They want to talk to all the three ladies, but the sentences they cannot.
Finish? That is our problem. We cannot finish our sentence.
Yeah.
Because they are imported eh.
Yeah.
They're imported
Yeah.
in Filipino.
Ano?
What?
Sabi ko kung anong sinasabi mo.
You can Filipino?
Oo naman.
Nagtatagalog ka?
Oo naman.
Ay, salamat naman. Halos maihina kami. Buti may isa tayong makakausap sa kanila dahil hirap na kami mag-English.
Anong isa lang? Lahat sila marunong mag-Tagalog na.
Totoo. Lahat kayo nagtatagalog.
Mismo.
Eh, ba't di niyo sinabi?
Oo.
Hindi nyo naman tinatanong eh. Ito pala eh.
Ngayon alam niyo na.
Girl, kamusta? Sige po. Wala kasi kami din
Istambay sa looban. Tapos na ang problemang Inglesan. Kung kayo ay may type na ligawan, kahit sino ay pwedeng nakita.
Hello, Miss! Miss, hello! Pwede bang makapagkilala sa inyo? Hi, hello!
Oo nga eh, nagtatagalog pala kayo eh.
Tsaka yung kanta namin. Ganda, di ba? Nagustuhan nyo ba?
I'm sorry, we don't understand what you're saying.